Merry Vlogmas month, and we are going thrifting for Christmas finds today. Okay, so we're starting off with saying goodbye to fall and Halloween and hello to Christmas. I like to start with these bins up front. They just put random stuff up in the front like this. And starting off strong, we found this polar bear. I can't say that name, but it is a brand name. And then in here, I usually find cute little trinkets like keepsake Hallmark ornaments, but today it doesn't look like they have much here. This Snoopy mug is cute. Unfortunately, it says Goodwill, so I'm not going to pick that up. Now look, it's a cup of cheer for $1.99. They have a lot of cute mugs. Look at this snowman for $1.49. Look what I found. A Starbucks mug. Just kidding. I'm looking at this Santa. He's $9.99. And you guys, he makes some kind of noise. He's ceramic. Let's see. Okay, so I got the light to turn on, but no noise is coming out. Still a great find. Some more trinkets. Look at that snowman cup, but for some reason this caught my eye. I guess because it's very cottagey. $3.99. I don't think it has any special name to it. It's just a little candle holder. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a Thomas Kincaid, I can tell.
Oh, train.
And it has a certificate of authenticity. It's called Holiday Reflection. And it is gorgeous. It seems to be in great condition for $6.99. Alright, here's some more cups. Single all the way. That is funny. And then this little platter, it's from Hallmark. It's a snowflake platter. And then this cup, it's an upside down snowman. How cute. And the cats, of course, gets my attention. Speaking of cats, these little reindeer antlers. I want to get those for my cat so bad, but my spouse said no. Alright, I'm in the glass section. I don't really look over here very often, but just glancing, and I found this beautiful Mikasa Christmas tree bowl. How cute would that be to serve something in it? Alright, I'm back in the cup section, and I found this beautiful Starbucks snowflake cup for $3.99, y'all. It's actually pretty gorgeous. And then this elf cup for $3.99. I don't know, he just looked very happy, so I had to pick him up. You never know what you're going to come across because I'm in Colorado, and to see a SeaWorld cup, it's kind of funny. But we do have a Rocky Mountain National Park here, so it makes sense that we find those cups all the time. This cup reminds me of my dad. He loves funny cups like this. It's $1.99, and I think you can get like $15 online for these kind of cups, along with these like retro old Christmas cups. Just a lot of these cups are like the master now I am. I mean, like, to think about who has had these funny cups to begin with, there's got to be stories, you know? Stories. Oh, look at this. So pretty. It's a gorgeous little rocking horse for $1.99. Alright, another one of my favorite places to look are these end caps, because you never know what little tiny treasures you're going to find. This is gorgeous. Hold on. I'll get back to that, but I just want to see what else is around. I think that's a wine topper. I don't know. This little frame with some embroidery, flowers, and a moth for $3.99. Some more just random stuff in bags, but you never know what you're gonna find on these end caps. Okay, I have to check out this fairy. $8.99. And it looks like she has like a glass ball. And she's a fairy or a sorceress. And she is stamped. Wow, gorgeous. I'm back up towards the front, just giving another glance before I go. And look at this little angel ornament. She's like a little birch tree. And she's not very expensive, so she's coming home with me. And then I see this. It's peeking out. What is this? It's a little reindeer. But I am not going to bring him home. What's this? $4.99. It's like a little snowman snow globe. He's cute. Back at the mugs up front. Mug for Santa. $1.99. You can tell that came from Target. Single all the way. I feel like I've already looked at some of these. Yeah. They got moved up front. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is editing Jamie right now. I did not pick up this nutcracker, but I should have. He's an FAO Schwartz nutcracker. He's worth so much money. But not only that, we collect nutcrackers. And I believe he was only about like $10. I should have brought him home, but I didn't, and I'm kicking myself now. Anyways, back to shopping. Some nutcracker, little towel holder, reindeer, and then this snowman. I don't know what he's supposed to be, like another candle holder. $7.99. But he looks high-end quality. Y'all can find some really high-end quality looking items for Christmas decor. This little reindeer caught my eye because he has a squirrel on his shoulder. And some more cute knickknacks. Oh, I love me some knickknacks. The Santa Norman Rockwell, $7.99. And it's so cute. There's like two little kids sleeping on there. But this is what got my attention. This beautiful ceramic Christmas rocking horse. $12.99. So I will not be bringing this home with me. But look how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. And some more plates. You can always find good plates. What's this? Some Blue's Clues ornaments. Number one, look at that gingerbread bowl. And number two, I've always wanted one of these bowls. And it even says Baking Spirits Bright. I love it. And that's coming home with me too, because I've always wanted one of these bowls. And they're like $12.99 at stores. Alright, so I was getting ready to walk out and I see this huge like planter with a reindeer on it. I don't know if it's a planter because it has holes. But it's cute. Alright, this is what I'm leaving with for $4, a mixing bowl and a ornament. She's so cute. Thank you for watching, and if you stayed till the end and you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I try to make videos as often as my mental health allows me to. Anyways, I hope you all have a very merry month of December, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.